in other countries. There was also a point talking about Malaysia being a global halal hub, which is what you have explained. We have achieved that. We are now going to the second blueprint. But why do we have multiple halal hub in Malaysia? It was pointed out. Okay, Malaysia is global halal hub, but it seems that each of the state in Malaysia are competing with each other. We are seeing Johor with their Iskandar Halal Hub. We are seeing Halal Panelist. We have Halal Penang Halal Hub. We almost had Selangor Halal Hub. What is this happening? Are they really competing? Why they are not working together? It's all about working in silos.
I need to manage the perception. When you talk about Halal Hub, you're talking about what you mentioned, state hub. Actually, these are all the dedicated halal parks which are located at the state. Success stories, of course, Penang and Selangor have been number one. Selangor, why we call it global halal hub or state halal hub, because not only they having a dedicated investment value into the halal industry, they are also having the most numbers of halal certification companies that's based in Selangor. So Selangor is actually a success story of hub. We don't call it, as an interpretation of global halal hub, we need to, it's the whole ecosystem. All states can have their own hub, but hub as in a comprehensive, where the economy, where talent, and you're talking about the success rate of the industry, that actually encompass of all the activities towards to become a hub.
And all these are being governed by HDC?
No, we work across. I know in Hawaii special about Malaysian government, it's not really like by HDC. The development of the industry, yes, we are the focal point. Integrity part, you have to go to JAKIM. The rest of the thing, we work with Mantrade, we work with SME Corp, MDAC, you're talking about digitalized, that is under MDAC. We work with all these state government in terms of making Malaysia as a global halal hub.
Yeah, this is important point here for the clarification, because it's important to clear the perception, the negative narration of Malaysia being a global halal hub but having multiple halal hubs. I mean, especially people like Tirmizi and Mita from Indonesia and Thailand, they want to expand their business through Malaysia. Then they come to Malaysia, they nampak Johor ada halal hub, Penang ada, Panelist ada, mana nak pergi? They got intimidated. But the government is working together hand in hand with other relevant agencies. The content itself is JAKIM, and you have Mantrade, Maida, contoh macam yang My History tu, yang jual apa ni, baju batik. So it's their first time here, first time in Malaysia. They don't have a toko here. So if they were to expand in Malaysia, who do they approach? We do have agencies, we do have the right entities to advise them where to go, depending on their business. Whether the business is suitable to be further developed in Johor, southern of Malaysia, or in Kelantan, or even in Klang Valley.
Precisely.
Thank you. Ada kerja kosong tak? Government?
Nanti.
Okay. Okay, thank you Puan. Next slide.